Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex, and let's go straight to our daily analysis. What's this? Yeah, let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is doing great. So let's see. Actually, I think I did not start this thing very well. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So it seems like actually the market is trying to recover. I see everything. It's like positive. Everything is like on positive. Most of them they are on positive, which is great, by the way. Which is great, but we thought maybe the market was going to continue on that bearish move, but it seems like the market is changing that direction, and we can't fight that. We can't fight that. Maybe we were wrong. Maybe we were wrong, but at least few days we did it. Few days we did it, and then yeah, let's go back. I think I cleared everything. Yeah, so this is what we see here on Bitcoin. If you want to join the team, you know what to do, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So let's just push and see what's really happening. You can see this is a daily time frame, guys. I wanted to show you this so that you see what's really happening. And yeah, you see that actually the market, I forgot to open my pen. As you see, it's quite busy if you're not prepared sometimes. So yeah, you see that actually the market is doing what? The market is still pushing lower, even though around this area, it seems like the market is trying to push up. I will just go closer there and try to see or to show you what I'm talking about. You can see around this area, it was a support. Even this area, it's actually a resistance, which means, yes, there is a possibility for the market to do what? To push lower from this area. Maybe to touch this area and push lower. Or maybe the market will then break this area and push the upside. But we also have this area as a resistance. The market can come back around that area, and we need to make sure that the market doesn't really trick us like that, because sometimes on the breakout the market can create some crazy moves, and at the end of the day you get in the wrong direction. But the best thing is to apply your risk management. So let's push to the next one, which is German 30 or German 40 or DAX. What's really happening? Yes, you can easily see that yes, the market was actually pushing lower, and even though that we got something like a support here, it doesn't mean that the market is no longer on that bearish. Yes, the market sometimes will try to recover, but at the end of the day, or when the market reaches this resistance, the market can still push lower again. Or maybe the market will get out of that trend, and we can say now we can buy with enough confidence, because now the market is still under that bearish resistance or bearish move. So it means even if we buy, we won't have that confidence. Like now, it seems like the market is about to break this resistance. The market can still push up to this area. And remember, that might be some serious pips. You can see from this area. Actually, let's say we buy from this area up to this point. Yeah, it's some serious pips to reach that area, and which means it's something very good. But since we know that there is a bearish move, anything can happen along the way, and that actually won't give you that confidence, especially when you try to go against the trend. So the best way is to, sometimes it's best to wait for the market to reach wherever it's going to reach, and then we can then say, okay, the structure is confirming, then we can sell if we're supposed to sell. So let's push to the next one. I don't want to make this video very long. Yeah, so on gold, yes, maybe you saw my analysis back then. Yes, the market was still, and even now is still on that bearish. You can see that yes, we had a very nice bearish again. Let me see, around these areas, from this area up to where it is, you can see the market actually did push lower. You see, so what's really happening here is, it seems like the market is getting out. We saw anything which that it's paired with gold, everything was then pushing up. So which means here we can say maybe the market will be pushing up. But even if maybe it's going to push up, remember we have that resistance. Maybe the market will respect that and push lower, or maybe we'll see another breakout, or maybe the market is trying to play games with us. When we think maybe the market is about to recover, then the market can still do what? The market can still sell off again. That is also possible. So which means we just need to relax. We just need to relax and see what's really happening. Maybe here, maybe we can say maybe the market will retest and try to push up, but this area should be the limit because it's also another resistance. Yes, I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish, even if maybe we can try to do something there. So let's check US oil. US oil is still on that bearish move, but you can see that the market is trying to recover. I drawn this line here just to actually help us to see where maybe the market can bounce back, but that is not like we're supposed to buy. No, we're supposed to do what? Continue selling as the market is actually on this downtrend. I hope you see that. So our job is just to do what? To continue selling and find structures where we can actually sell. But sometimes whatever that I'm trying to explain here, it sounds easy, but sometimes it's way too difficult because the market will just create this crazy moves. But at the end of the day, you will see that, oh, the market was just going down. The market was just going down. And if maybe you kept selling, most of the time, you were going to make profit. Most of the time, you're going to make profit. So now I can say maybe we can draw something like this. Seems like it will make sense. Let's see. Seems like it will make sense. Something like that, maybe. Or maybe something like this. Let's see. But we don't really have to force that. We don't really have to force that. Doesn't even have to start there. Maybe here. Then we can see that, oh, the market is trying to do it to get out of this area. The market is trying to get out of this area, you see. So which means the market can do what? Maybe the market is about to push the upside. But even though the market is trying to push the upside, that doesn't make this a bullish move. You see, we are still on this downtrend. The market might try to recover, then reach this area again, sell again. But some, yes, we can still take that buy here, but those are hit and run. You buy one while you are in profit, you can close very quick because the market can turn anywhere and we don't know where. So if you do that, just know what you're doing actually, because the market can come back against you, like seriously aggressive. So this one, we have another one which was a bit confusing to me, but the structures is there actually, because we had this structure, very nice uptrend, but now we have another one which I will just now continue with it. And with that confusion, because the market just broke out of that support, pushing to the lower side, we also had another structure. So we did not actually know which one we can follow. Around this area, we also had something. So now when we connect this, it makes a bit of a sense now, but we missed that. To be honest, we did miss that, but we learned something, and that it shows that if we draw this line here, there was a very nice retest that pushed the market to the upside. So is the market trying to bounce back or something? Nope, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe the market is trying to do that. And if the market is doing that, it's also great for the market to recover. Then we can also do what? When the market gives us another opportunity, we can keep buying, as we can now see that, oh, the market is pushing to the upside. And now, or let's say a few days ago or even yesterday, we were a bit confused here. Yes, we did still make money, but that reversal was not actually safe for us. But now at least we can see what's really happening. You can see the market was just doing its thing here. So there is a lot of reversals and also volatility, by the way. So yeah, and plus because there was economic news, that makes the market to go up and down. But currently what I see is I'm expecting the market to push up, as the market is showing us that it's breaking out of this small downtrend. It means now the market is trying to push up. So we just need to follow that. We can't fight the market and say, yo, yesterday we drawn this and that. Nope, we don't really have to do this. So to do that. So now I see the same thing actually on NASDAQ. yes, the market was giving us a very nice structure, and we thought maybe the market was about to continue with that. But the only thing that confused us was we thought maybe since we were out of that support, the market was starting to do what? Maybe to go down. And the structures were a bit confusing when you combine with that. But you know what? We learn every day. We learn every day. And sorry. So now we see that, oh, the market created this nice move. If we never thought about that support, it means we're not going to miss that, because now we see that the market just broke out, retest, a very nice retest, which we also missed. And you know what? There's nothing I can do. Sometimes we're going to miss some very nice opportunities. Guess what? Now the market is moving to the upside. And, and just imagine if we got this thing here, we're just going to eat. Yes, we did not actually took a crazy loss, whatever. It was in a very small, nice profit. Then the market started to reverse. But we'll see what will the market create actually today, and then we can follow that. We can follow the structures. Not every day where the market is going to confuse us. Sometimes when there is breakouts, reversals, all those things, sometimes they end up confusing. Plus the news, they all confuse us sometimes. So for those who wants to join the team, please guys, before we go there, for those who, if you know you did not subscribe, please smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. And yeah, smash and just subscribe. For those who wants to be in the team, those are the packages. Just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So later on, actually before the market opens, we're gonna go live. And yeah, don't forget to smash that notification so that you don't miss my live session. Thank you very much. Bye.